Exploring the universe of language. Outer space ideas. Hello, language adventurers. Welcome to our journey through the English language. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that often pops up in creative discussions: outer space ideas. This phrase may sound like it's from another planet, but by the end of this video, you'll understand it as well as your native tongue. The phrase, outer space ideas, is a metaphorical expression. It is used to describe thoughts, concepts, or proposals that are extremely innovative, creative, or unconventional. Just like outer space represents a vast, unexplored territory beyond our Earth, outer space ideas are seen as beyond the normal or traditional scope of thinking. Outer space ideas can be used in various contexts, but it's most commonly found in brainstorming sessions, creative industries, or when discussing groundbreaking innovations. When someone says, "Let's think of some outer space ideas," they are encouraging others to think freely, without limitations, aiming for the most creative and unconventional ideas possible. 1. The startup's success was due to its founders' outer space ideas, which completely changed the industry. 2. During the brainstorming session, the team was encouraged to come up with outer space ideas to solve the problem. These examples show how the phrase is used to highlight the uniqueness and creativity of thoughts or solutions. In today's cosmic journey through language, we unraveled the mystery of outer space ideas. These are the thoughts that take us beyond the ordinary, into the realms of extraordinary creativity and innovation. Keep your minds open and your thoughts vast and boundless, just like the outer space. Until our next linguistic adventure, keep exploring the universe of language.